guys, so this is one of my main ingredients, black pepper, so I include this, and this one, and sweet chili sauce for my chicken. So let's put this up all ingredients. So guys, I also add this one, Worcester sauce. So I put already the black pepper and this and this one. So I'm going to mix this up for our chicken. So while I'm waiting for my chicken for about 20 minutes of marinating, so I'll cook my corn for about 25 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes I think. So this is how it looks. So we're going to fry this chicken until it golden brown. So let's start cooking our fried chicken. So it turns golden brown already. So I need to take it out from the oil and put my main ingredients for it. So now we're going to add this sweet and chili sauce for our recipe. So this is my recipe for today. Sweet and sour chicken with corn. Very yummy. So this dish is good for appetizer. So thank you for watching.